Hello Barça fans, we are back at Camp Nou with a new update as football returns after a long time. This week is special for both matches and construction progress, and the stadium continues to transform day by day. Today, we will take a closer look at all the ongoing works and see how the stadium is evolving. Remember to subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. It's free and helps this project grow. Don't forget to leave a like, as it supports the work and helps more people discover these impressive updates. Now let's start today's video. We begin in the Lateral Corner area, where several workers are near the crane. The four main structures remain in place with no major changes. Some supports on the pillars are still missing, so anchor installation has not started. Large structural elements remain stored in place. Upper sections show very little movement today. Work will likely resume once missing supports are installed. In the slat area, a slat is being installed next to the pillar and another in the false ceiling. The bracket zone still has gaps from last week. Several slats are prepared and covered with protective plastic. Progress is slow, but preparation suggests more work soon. Wall removal continues near the parking entrance, widening the space considerably. Workers are installing anchors despite heavy rain. Several anchors are in place, while a few lower ones remain. Tension rods connecting the anchors are also visible. Lower slats in the corner section were installed last week, forming part of the false ceiling. Upper areas still need many slats. Several elevating platforms are positioned for upcoming work. A large number of slats are ready, but no crane is visible today. Anchor installation has started gradually in nearby sections. An unfinished wall still needs blocks and painting. Workers continue operating inside scaffolding, especially near stairs. Despite rain, overall progress across the stadium is clear as construction advances. To our left, supports in this sector appear fully installed, with diagonal pieces at top and bottom giving a finished look. Vertical pieces are still missing due to close spacing near black beams. No further work has been done here for now. This area is ready for the next phase. In front of the shop diamond, a large amount of glass is already installed. Panels above and next to the doors are smaller as the diamond widens. Numerous pallets of glass are ready, and the crane is prepared to move materials. Installation continues efficiently using suction cups. Escalators in the central tribune are progressing, with handrails installed and some steps still missing. Electrical work continues inside, and protective tarps have been removed. Workers are painting walls, with left and middle sections pending. Drywall installation is complete, with final adjustments in progress. Prefabricated stands and stairs continue arriving daily, filling seating tiers. Workers are active on the second cantilever level, and lateral diamond glass panels are completed. A new prefabricated stand is being lifted for the third tier, advancing rapidly. North Goal Hill shows steady construction activity with elevating platforms. Supports for slats are being installed, with joints for brackets in place. Some anchors are set, while lower sections remain unfinished. Scaffolding and slab panels remain in upper areas, with careful work ongoing. Prefabricated stands are nearly complete, with only a few gaps remaining. The walkthrough shows steady progress in Gold South Tribune and North Goal areas. Glass installation, slats, anchors, and prefabricated stands are advancing despite rain. Construction is gradually transforming these sections. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for all the latest updates.